It's easy to look sharp, speak well, and work hard when you're out in public. It's easy to do the right thing when your boss is standing over your shoulder, when your friends are watching, or when you're posting a gym selfie on social media. We all love external validation. But let me ask you a question that might make you uncomfortable. Who are you when the doors are closed, the lights are low, and absolutely nobody is watching? Because that right there is the exact moment where your real life is decided. True discipline isn't what you do in the spotlight, it's what you do in the dark. It's choosing not to open that private browser tab. It's choosing to study when nobody's watching your grades. It's keeping a promise to yourself that nobody even knows you made. Today on Ravi Patidar Speaks, we are diving on the ultimate test of personal development. How to build unshakable discipline when you are completely on your own. Most people fail to build long term discipline because they suffer from what psychologists call it the audience effect. We're all social creatures. We naturally perform better when we have an audience because we want to be praised. We are petrified of being judged. But relying on an audience to keep you disciplined is a dangerous trap because the most critical moments of your growth happens in isolation. Think about it. The hours you spend mastering a new skill, the quiet minutes you spend practicing communication in front of a mirror, the decisions you make in the kitchen about what to eat when no one is around. There is no crowd cheering you on for those. If your discipline requires a witness, it's not discipline, it's just performance. And performances are exhausting. The moment the audience leaves, the actor stops acting and you collapse back to your comfort zone. So, how do we fix this? It starts with redefining a single word: integrity. We usually think integrity means being honest with other people, but the highest form of integrity is being honest with yourself. Every time you set an alarm for 6 a.m. and you hit snooze 3 times, thinking it's no big deal, you think, hey, nobody saw me, so it doesn't count. But someone did see you. You saw you. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your subconscious mind takes a screenshot. It files it away under a folder labeled I cannot be trusted. Over time, you erode your own self respect. You stop believing your own words. And when you lose faith in your own words, your personality and your confidence crumble. To build discipline when nobody is watching, you need to realize that you are the most important audience member in the room. You have to start treating your promises to yourself like they are written in stone. Now, if you're still watching this video, this means that you seriously want to bridge the gap between who you are in public and who you are in private. Let's talk about the practical system to build this isolated discipline. First, stop relying on willpower and design your environment. Willpower is weakest when you're alone and tired. If you don't want to scroll your phone in the middle of the night when nobody is watching, keep your phone away from your bed. Put it in another room. Make bad habits difficult to perform in private. Second, use the 2 minute check in. Whenever you find yourself alone, slipping into the lazy pattern, maybe watching or staring at the ceiling, maybe staring blankly at the screen or breaking a habit, stop. Close your eyes for 5 seconds and ask yourself, if a person I respect the most in this world walked into this room right now, would I be proud of what I am doing? It sounds simple, but it instantly forces your brain out of its primitive and lazy state and brings your higher values back to focus. And finally, celebrate your private wins. When you finish a difficult task alone, don't run to social media and post about it. Just sit there for a moment, smile to yourself, and realize that you just got stronger. That internal high is worth a million likes. My friends, the public victories you want, the promotion, the incredible presentation, the great physique, the majestic personality, those are just fruits. The roots are grown in the dark when you are fighting your laziness completely alone. Your character is defined by what you do on a quiet Tuesday afternoon when nobody is looking over your shoulder. Be the person who respects themselves enough to do the work anyway. If this video struck a chord with you today, smash that like button. And I want a real commitment from you today. Drop a comment below with the words accountable to myself. Let it be a private contract between you and your future. Subscribe to Ravi Patidar Speaks for more raw, practical strategies on communication and personal mastery. Thank you for watching. Go do the right thing today even when no one finds out. I'll see you in the next video.